We're going to do your turn 1.4.1, problem 7. It says consider a triangle whose vertices are given by points A, B, and C. There's the triangle over here. And the first thing we need to realize is what is a median. It says to write the equation of a median. Okay, so the median begins at vertex A over here and terminates at the midpoint of segment BC over here. So the first thing I need to do is find that point M. So I'm going to find the midpoint of segment BC. So I simply take the average of the x's. So it's -2 and 3. So it's -2 plus 3 all over 2. And the average of the y's, that's 5 and 5. So the average is 5. So the midpoint is 1/2, 5. And point A is -2, 2. So now I have all the information to proceed to write the equation containing the midpoint M and point A. So I'm going to find the slope first using our formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So it's going to be 5 minus 2 all over 1/2 minus -2. Be careful with the negative signs. So it's going to be 3 over 1/2 plus 2, which is 3 over 5/2. So 3 divided by 5/2 is simply going to be 6/5. So I've got the slope. Now I have 2 points. I can pick one of them. I'm going to choose point A, and I'm going to find the equation of the line containing the median in point slope form. So that's y minus y1 equals m x minus x1. So it's going to be y minus 2 equals 6/5 x minus a -2, that's plus 2. But the problem wanted it in slope intercept form. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to first distribute the 6/5. Don't forget to distribute to the 2 as well. And I'm going to add 2 to both sides. So it's 6x over 5 plus 12/5 plus 2. And finally, combining the 12/5 and the 2, I'm going to get y equals 6x over 5 plus 22/5. One quick check you can do, you notice that the slope is 6/5, or it's positive, right? So if you go back to the picture, you see that the line does indeed have a positive slope. By the way, I do suggest you draw the triangle neatly on graph paper so you can get it as accurately as possible. So the slope is positive, the numeric slope is positive, so that's a great check that you've done the problem correctly. Do not be afraid of coordinate geometry, just follow the definitions and it all boils down to equations of lines.